For anyone who is an artist or has one at home would know how difficult it is to remove acrylic paint dried on palettes. Regular dish soap requires soaking and lots of scrubbing, but vooki, with its advanced chemical-free formulation, penetrates to the root and releases the dried paint easily. Not only this, but burnt ghee containers and charred frying pans can also be cleaned with this dishwashing liquid, nature powered with soap nut, orange peel, lemon oil, tamarind extract and rock salt. The cleaned utensils smell absolutely fresh and keep my hands feeling soft.